we are going to solve each challenges in web category. Okay, first one is challenge name starter. There, this is the link. Okay, there we can see there all words are randomly show there. So when we control A to select all characters, they search for the flag in the source code. Okay, so we can check view by source, and there is a flag aupCTF and something. Okay, so we can copy this to our folder source. And we can get the flag by like that. Control Alt to select and remove their left side, and again Control Alt and drag the mouse. Okay, there we have to cut this one, and now we have to cut this part also, and Alt Control 2. So we need to transpose this, copy this, and there you can see the flag. Okay, copy it. Okay, we can copy this, and again from there we can remove all the spaces, and we can get a flag. So that's a flag, and we can submit it. Yes, first one has been solved. Second one, SQLi. There, admin, always what we use, and we can use SQL for password. That is or one, we call one. Then other things we don't need. Simple SQL injection. Okay, second one, admin, and we are now using this command. Okay, now challenge name is header. We can check this what's in there. So basically there request method.get. If we search this, what Django, okay, there we can see HTTP request and other things. So we can use this. There, how can I get the flag? We can use DevTools. Previously I have released I released this type of video where we can use DevTools or Postman or other verb suite we can use. So here I am using DevTools. If pressing F12 we can get this. Okay, then there you can see from recent, and we can see get their headers. So we need their HTTP get flag. That means HTTP, we don't need HTTP, just get flag, and value is yes. So we can use this yes and send it. Okay, what's the response in there? There's the flag. Okay, here also I am using this, and there by Postman there I added get flag and value is yes, and then output is the same. Okay, now time est. There are many tag here. If we check the hint, try looking for a tag named flag. Okay, we have to search the tag which name is flag, and time hast. Okay, what's the challenge? Why the challenge name is time hast? Time hast web sorry, time has web, that time has, okay. Any other thing? Time travel skill, okay. Time travel web, okay. Time travel, there we can use our web link. We don't need other, just find, is there anything? Okay, yes, Internet Archive Memento 16 days before. Okay, there is there any tag like flag? No. Web archive, wayback machine is basically web archive, so there are 13 captures. Okay, we can travel back. There are other links in this archive, so we can check there. Yes, there flag. We found a tag named flag, so click here. You deserve the flag. Okay, what's on there? Don't look anywhere else, the flag is right here, you just need to inspect it. Okay, by pressing F12 and click inspector or mouse cursor to check there, inspect it, there is flag. So I found our flag. Okay, channel's name directory. Channel's name is directory. We click there. Okay, there are a lot of directories here. We can check this. Page 1, no flag for you. Okay, second one, no flag for you. Third one, no flag for you. So basically, there is no flag for you. That means there is no flag in this page. So we have to search page 1 to page 1000. So I've already created a program for this where I'm using the web URL, then get links from there, URL to, I have to cursor and use a links array, and then we read all links from there, href, then all links to basically amend in these links, and links.append, that means all URL like https aupCTF.live then what is the link there, if we check, then it's just like that, /dir /page/1. Okay, so we got all links here, and after that we have to check one by one. So content is read contents, there just use response to request to get, and there is first URL, that is our first URL, then second one is there too, so this is second URL. Like that we traverse one by one and return the response text, that is content of the web page. And when we find aupCTF curly braces, so that's our starting text of flag. So if we get this, find this from content, then index is the index of the first character a. So if index is not equal -1, then print index and print content. And after that, when I run this program, there are a lot of error code, and finally we have find in 392. Okay, we can check there in 392, is there 5392? No, 392, 393, no, 391, no. So maybe, oh sorry, there is the index 392. So if we want which URL contains this, we can use, we don't need index there. So we can change this also, print index and other things. We can change this like index content if content and this, then we don't need another here. So we can print their link, what is the link, and print content. If we check this, we also check this. So we don't need to print this, just okay. Again we can try this, and there flag not found, flag, no flag for you. Okay, flag not found. This is page 1. Okay, if content equal true, okay, clear this. So I think this is running. Okay, we can check this also by print the link, and then we can run again there. So now we can know which link contains the flag. So basically there, every link has been scanned and checked if there is anything like aupCTF with curly braces. Okay, for directory challenges I have used this Python code where web URL then links to get link from all links from this URL. There is the method of function I have used, and I used array links where all reference is there. Okay, and after that we read the contents from each URL, and if any content find aupCTF, then we can check this by index, and if index greater than -1, because if we don't match this text, then index returns -1. So when we find out this aupCTF, then index is greater than -1 and print the content and break. Okay, we can run this. There we can see every link was checked, and is there any content, then it will break down. Okay, when we run this program, and there lot of searching, lot of directories. After that we have found in 712 page number, there you found me. Okay, and this is the flag. Okay, if we check this, if we check here, the number was 712. And here is a flag, it is a bit, the flag is this. So directory problem is solved, and last one is super user. There final one is conundrum. Okay, super user is there. Is there, is like that. No. Okay, what's in the source code? If we check there, is there anything? Yes, there are something. CSRF middleware token. Is there anything like cookie editor? CSRF token. Okay, so there one hint is hidden, like CSRF middleware token is this, and username, we have to push username and password. Okay, now if we check their robots, and which we basically check, yes, disallow usernames and passwords. So there directories, robots, no, usernames, there are list of usernames and passwords. There are list of, the password list is there. So we have to combine and take a brute force to where is the username and password may match. Okay, this is password and there is usernames. So the usernames and passwords list we have already got. So using verb suit, we can use their verb suit request is there, and we can use attack type is cluster bomb, and payloads in there. Number one, simple list, and there paste the all user list, and then second one is also simple list and paste the all password which we get from this two list. So after that we have actually there we start the attack by cluster bomb, which already I have run the attack by payload 1 username and payload 2 is password. You can see what's the request format, their cookie and their CSRF middleware token, and this is username and password which we added from this username payload 1 and payload 2, and there we can see every combination of username and password is tried and attempted to log in there. The length, all length are same, that means response code, every time response code is same. When is there any difference, then length will be different. Length, come here, so we have to wait. Okay, on last one we can use this, and there for example username admin and test I've used. This is the CSRF token and CSRF middleware token from source. And final thing is we have to combine the user and password, which I have already listed in the intruder list payloads. Their first one is username and second one is password, which I got from I have told already. So finally we have to start attack. Password and username and password, we by this username and password we are trying to log in there. Okay, after getting the username and password there, another thing we have to add admin equal true. After that, when we send this, then we can get the response and their congratulations mighty admin, and there the last flag. So we can use this, and okay, thank you.